Hello and welcome to my channel. Today we're doing another closet declutter. Basically I went through a big body transformation. This is what my body is going to be now, whether I like it or not apparently. A couple years ago really got rid of all of the stuff that no longer fit me and would never fit me, and then I lost my sense of style, and now I'm reintroducing clothes that are really high quality, that will last me a lifetime, and that are really my style. So that means I need to get rid of stuff that does not flatter my body or is just like something that I got along the way that is just not super high quality and that I don't want to have here anymore. So welcome to my super tiny closet. This is my only winter item. It's a wool coat. It's from Whimsy and Row. I love it so much and it's great, and it's very versatile for something that like isn't a solid color. It's got a little bit of a personality. Obviously it's staying because then I would be freezing in the wintertime with nothing to wear. So this stays. Next we have a long turtleneck dress. This also stays. This is just a really good fancy like dress to wear. You can dress it up, dress it down. Then we have this long sleeve dress. This is actually a dress that I bought not that long ago. It's like a, I don't know, like a Parisian type of dress. It has a collar, some buttons. I feel like it's very classic. It's from, again, Whimsy and Row, and I really enjoy this dress. It looks really good. It snatches you up. And it's just a nice, very like simple dress. So I'm gonna keep that. Then we have this guy. This I bought kind of a while ago. It's from a company called Bahhgoose. And they are like a small batch company from Bali. And I actually really love this dress, and I'm really gonna keep it because it is like my cottagecore dreams dress. It is a really nice fabric. It's a really nice color. A lot of times I am in like sweats, and because I like try to work out every day, and then I just like stay in sweats. But I need to just kind of not get rid of all of the stuff that I love because I'm like, ooh, I like don't wear this every day. Okay, obviously I'm not gonna wear this every day, but I do really like it. It's pretty flattering and I do enjoy it, so I am gonna keep it. Now we get to this little bit here. So this is two Whimsy and Row dresses. The one behind here is like super versatile. It has sleeves and stuff. It's too linen-y for me, so I definitely know that this is coming off a hanger, and I'm gonna try and sell this. I love this dress, like the idea of this dress, but the way that it fits my body is super weird. So I feel like I want to like either myself or take it somewhere to like get this altered, maybe into like a skirt and a like top. So this is gonna go into the maybe pile, which is gonna for right now be the floor. Let me lighten you up. I hope you can see me now and I don't look like I'm in a cave. This hanger is holding on for dear life. Black dress back here, I love it. It's my engagement dress. It's from a company called Aura the Label. It's like a, I don't know, like a cutoff sleeve like this, and it has buttons all the way down, and it has a little belt ascension, so I love this. I'm keeping it. Then we have a Sabo skirt dress, which for right now I am keeping. At some point I will be selling it, but I have not gotten enough wears out of this. I just don't have enough titty for this dress. The way that it sits on my boobs is just like the idea of this dress is so cute if I had more boobs. So this dress definitely needs to be sold. And then this dress is also again from Aura the Label, and I love this dress. It like has these cups here, and then it like buttons, and the buttons are like kind of like the wedding dress buttons, you know, like the thicker ones that stand out. I love this dress. I'm keeping this dress. There's like not a doubt in my mind about this dress. It's a Reformation dress, polka dots, obsessed. Here's another hanger with like 15 million dresses, which actually all of these are going to be kept. There is like a silky, kind of fancier black dress on here from Whimsy and Row, so I'm gonna keep that. Then there's this Aura the Label dress with a little belt. Super cute and like pretty casual, really nice for the summertime. And then a Reformation Twilight dress. I love this dress and it fits pretty nicely. Now, okay, this is a Bahhgoose item, which like in theory is really cute. It's like a little romper, but it's like thick. That's one thing. And like rompers you want to wear like in the sun. Like I'm not gonna wear this in the fall when it's cold, right? Because my legs are exposed. I don't know if I want to make this into like a crop shirt. Like I feel like I would wear that a lot more often, like maybe with jeans or like with jean shorts, and then like I don't know, do something with like the bottom of this, but like I really don't know what I would do. So I think this needs to be reworked. I think it's time to get rid of this. This dress still fits me, and actually this guy belongs on here, and it's just like a little tunicky short dress. It's very short though, like I think I would have to wear little shorts underneath, but it's really good for summertime, so I am gonna keep this. I've also had this for so long. It's from Beachy, when Beachy still had cute clothes. Okay, this I think I do have to keep. It's kind of like a dress, but also like not, because it's so short, but this is like a really cool, wear it to the beach type of vibe, so I'm definitely gonna keep that. And okay, that concludes my dresses for now. So this is a vintage polka dot. I do like polka dots. The shirt is cute. I think I will be taking out the shoulder pads out of this, but it's cute. I like the like newly done little buttons on this. It's definitely staying. There's two Whimsy and Row shirts. One is kind of a fancier button collared shirt that literally is a short version of that dress, and then this is just like a little turtlenecky guy. Obviously I'm keeping both of these for the fall. Love this shirt, keeping this shirt, and it's just like classy, you know, like rich mom, but I'm not a mom. But oh, this company is actually called the Handloom LA, and they're like a pretty sustainable, nice fabric kind of store, so check them out. These are also from Michi, and I've had these both for so long, and I think these are both going into the maybe pile because they're like this weird awkward thing where they don't actually like button all the way down. I do think I have to get rid of this. I love this flannel, but I fucking hate the color of it. Love this shirt. I hate the fabric. This is from 12th Tribe. The fabric is terrible. Really picky with tops, and this is just such a cute top. I literally wish this was made out of cotton, so maybe one day I'll try to sew one. I love this shirt, like the way that the front is. There's like ties on the back. It's all exposed. Really like this, and it's really nice for summer because there's like, it's cropped and then like there's all that open back. Okay, these are two vintage shirts, and like I can't get behind this color. It's like an off-white and it just doesn't look right to me. So this is gonna be a sell guy. I like this. This is kind of like a linen-y. It's Chicago's design. It's also a vintage kind of shirt. Really cute over jeans, really nice and flowy, really good like on like over shorts as well. So I have to keep this. I got this for doing a photo shoot and the boutique no longer exists. But I'm gonna try and sell this because like, do you actually see me wearing this ever again unless it's like for a photo shoot? Like what pants do you even wear this with? We're getting into sweaters. I think I'm gonna keep this. This is also an express sweater, and the shape is good. It still fits me. It's stripy and it goes with a lot of things. So for now, I think that this is still a keep. I don't know. This is also like a vintage silk sweater. I think I'm gonna try and sell this because I really don't gravitate towards it at all. So this didn't actually have a hanger because I was having this issue for a little while. V-neck from Express. I gotta keep this. Okay, as much as I like this, I need to think about it because I hate the fabric. We have this is also 12th Tribe. I do enjoy the idea of this sweater, so I'm gonna keep this. Like a slouchy one from Able. I'm also gonna keep this. Obviously I love the little bat wing stuff, and it's really easy to style, so I'm gonna keep this. This vintage turtleneck, guys, gotta go. I just do not wear it. I do not know how to wear it, so this needs to be sold. Turtleneck from Express, keeping. I've had these for like literally 10 years now, and I wear them all the time in the winter time. Literally my favorite vintage sweater of all time is like a Gap vintage kind of piece. It's like the perfect size. It just goes over leggings so well, and I just, chef's kiss, obsessed. I literally wear it more than anything else in my closet. This is a Knotty Ones. So Knotty Ones is actually kind of special, and I'm really sad that I can only afford to have one sweater from them, but this was like on Uber sale on a site, so I got this for around $100, where their sweaters are like $200 to $300. These are knitted in Lithuania, which is where I'm from, by Lithuanian little grandmas. And they're paid fair wages, and this is like a fully cotton knit too. So definitely if you're into like, I don't want to say high end, but like high quality, sustainable, like paid fair wages type of thing, check out the Knotty Ones. This is another vintage sweater, but I don't wear it, so it just needs to be sold. We have this, which is the Made the Label kind of like thicker shacket? No, I don't know. It's just like a button shirt, kind of new, but it's thicker, so I haven't really worn it. I think this will be great like in the fall to throw over like when you're go hiking and stuff, so obviously I'm gonna keep it. A Whimsy and Row cardigan sweater. This is so versatile. I love wearing it as a shirt or over like a tank top that's a V-neck. Really good with skirts, really good over jeans, so I'm obviously going to keep it. Then I have this, and I'm unsure on what to do with it. I think I need to get rid of it. Kind of hard to wear. Like, as a cardigan duster thing, the length is amazing. It's super long, and I love it. I just can't decide because I genuinely can only wear this with white tops, and I have like, one white tank top, and I'm just so conflicted. I need to think about this one. I have this LL Bean jacket. I think this is really great for the fall, so I'm going to keep it. And then I had gotten rid of my other jean jacket, But I think I'm gonna take off this bedazzled stuff over here because it's literally just like sewn on very easily. But it's a nice, cute, like cropped little denim jacket. So it works really good with jeans. It works really good with shorts. It works really good on dresses, super cute. But I definitely am gonna keep this. Okay, jumpsuits galore. I have so many jumpsuits and I do need to figure out what I'm doing with my life with the jumpsuits. Some of them I wish they were longer, and I know that that's the style. But I guess this with heels like is cute. So I guess I am gonna keep this guy. I do think that it's time to let go of this white canvasy kind of jumpsuit. I do love this denim one. I do think I need to get it taken in on the sides. I'm gonna put this down on the floor to be reworked because I want my things to fit, and I actually really love that, and I love that it's like just like a straight down pant as well. I put this on the other day and I've had this for so long and it still doesn't fit, and it's just like a little not my style anymore, so I am gonna go ahead and sell this. And then this guy, I do love it. I still wear it to this day, so I'm gonna keep it for now. Hate the brand, it's Good American. But I love this jumpsuit. Super cute, obsessed, fits like a glove. Also obsessed with this jumpsuit. It has this amazing like puma on the back and it's embroidered. P&Co, it's called P&Co. Check them out, they have really cool stuff. Then we have 50 million overalls. I obviously need to keep my like little jean overalls and then my vintage overalls. I don't think I'll ever fit into these. I need to try and sell these again. Now we can look at this plethora of pants. I think it's time to get rid of these jeans. They're just a weird blue and they're like the crossover Abercrombie and Fitch jeans, and I just don't want Abercrombie and Fitch stuff. I just have a basic like American Eagle pair of jeans that I've had for a long time. So I am gonna keep those. And these are my new Madewell jeans, which they're my first non-stretch jean, but they have kind of altered themselves to me at this point, so I think I'm gonna keep them. I do have a pair of black skinny jeans. I think it's time to give up skinny jeans, isn't it? I'm trying to be a cool girl and be doing the whole like the work pants with some sneakers, but I don't think that's my vibe. But I'm gonna keep these pants. They're from Madewell. They're really nice quality, and I just think like a nicer pair of slacks is important to have. And I have my little flowy pants, but I feel like these flowy pants can go in a basket. They don't need to be hung up. They're like my little linen-y pants. This is like a little more manageable. I need to get a drink of water, and then I'm gonna come back and we're gonna look at what we've got on the bed. Obsessed with this top here. This is new. This is from a brand called Hazel and Folk. I love it. You can kind of wear it like on the shoulders, like a shirt or off the shoulder. And it's a nice like really thin, cottony, like gauzy material. Have another gauzy. If you can't tell, I'm obsessed with gauze. This is like a gauzy Mate the Label shirt. Really good for summer. I have a pair of gauzy shorts that like make it a set. So good for just throwing this on if you don't want anything exposed. Would also be really good for over a bathing suit, so obviously gonna keep that. We have a sweater. It's from the same brand as this. It's called Avian Co. Also some sort of Bali company. 100% organic cotton, I think, yarn. And both of these are like flowy and like nice little sweaters. So this has like a V and it's nice and flowy, and then this one is like a crisscross in the front, nice and flowy as well. They are really nice quality and will last me forever. I am obsessed with off-the-shoulder tops. I feel like for someone who doesn't love her arms, off-the-shoulder like kind of covers the part of my arm that I hate and exposes my shoulders, and it's a nice like short sleeve kind of vibe. It's a long sleeve like open back dress, and this is 100% cotton. There's this other dress, which, what is the material? This dress is 100% linen, and it's like a nice flowy like throw on kind of shirt. It has pockets, but you can dress this up with some heels and like a little belt, or you could just wear it like running errands with some sneakers or some Birks or something. Like, I really needed a dress that was like not an occasion kind of dress. I wanted something nice, light, and airy that I feel good in. It's a nice material, and I am here for it. Then I have like this hoodie from Mate the Label. It's a really good material, obviously, because it's Mate the Label. It's that waffle material, which it's like second to gauze for me. Nice little zip up, so I'm a big fan. And then there's this shirt right here, which I don't love. It's from Abercrombie. It's super cute. It's another off the shoulder type of thing, and it's a bodysuit, so it like never comes up, and it's kind of a little different with like the meshy sleeves, so like can dress it up, can dress it down. I'm gonna keep that. I also have this like cardigan-y kind of sweater. Where are you from? It's from Quince. I got it in the size medium to be a little more oversized, just to like throw on. We have some baskets here with clothes. So I do think I want to hang this. I also want to hang this because it's a cute little croppy top. Do I even wear this? I don't wear the color green. This needs to go. Unless it's like this shirt. Got my little tank tops in here. I also don't wear this Madewell shirt. This needs to go. Like this little top, this little top. I need to figure out if I want to keep that green guy or the black set. I love this shirt. It's from Sabo Skirt. It's got like a fully open back. Like that. Keeping that. Keeping this shirt that I've had for a while. It's a little tie shirt. I need to decide about these guys, so I'm gonna keep that out for right now. And then pants. So everything in here I am keeping. It's 2 pairs of shorts, 2 jean shorts, my little casual gauzy shorts that I talked about. I got a pair of like stripy shorts, which really comfy. And then just like a little loungy pair of short when everything else is dirty. Keeping all of that. That's all good. Keeping this pair of sweatpants. Need to reorganize this. Okay, and then this pair of sweatpants. I really don't have many like loungy pair of sweatpants, so the 2 that I have I am keeping, even though I think these ones have a little bit of a hole, but that's okay. These are from Made the Label, and then these are from Pact. They're from like the men's section. And then we have this like set of like gauzy pants that goes with the tube top, keeping that. I don't know whether to keep the green or the black. These are a Whimsy set and they're literally the same set. And the pants are just like that style that I talked about that are just a little short, and I feel like I don't need 2 sets of them. Like I literally have like a green and a black. I mean, I get it, I like it, but I need to think about that. These pants can go in here as well. And then I have this pink set with the long sleeve shirt, which is different, so I'm gonna keep that. I guess these can go with like my lounge shirts. Not need to be separated. This can just be a lounge, a little loungy basket.
So as you can see, it's been a while. My hair's different. It's been about a month since I recorded the initial part of this video, and then it took me a while to really truly organize my closet and kind of refine it, make some final decisions. So I wanted to kind of jump back on here and show you how like I slightly organized all the stuff that I decided to keep in my closet. So we're just gonna jump on in here and I'm gonna show you kind of how everything went, so it's not just such a like jump scare weird cut at the end. So okay, let's go. This is the arrangement of the closet. There's a lot. So I pretty much put all my shoes in here, and then in here is like workout clothes, underwear, socks type of thing, and then bathing suits. Back there is stuff that I need to get altered, so that's kind of shoved in there. Laundry basket is down there. So on here we kind of have my coat, dresses, short sleeves, long sleeves, sweaters, jeans, jackets, and then jumpsuits. And then up here I ended up doing some winter clothes because I just could not seem to get rid of like the kind of warmer things. Essentially I needed to keep some warm stuff kind of up and out, so that I can keep like the clothes that I wanted to. And then in these baskets we have basically sweatpants and regular pants, and then all of my shirts that are short sleeve, tank tops, that kind of stuff. Then I have my shorts up in that top one, and then down here is like long sleeve shirts, jackets, like kind of hoodie type things for the gym, and then like short sleeve sleeping shirts. So that's pretty much my whole closet. Everything that I own is in here. So yeah, that's my closet. It's gonna stay like this for a little while. I'm gonna keep rotating things out if I do get some more stuff. Want to keep it about this size. I think this is a pretty good size. So yeah, that's all that I have to say. Thank you for watching. I'll see you probably in a couple months. So I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.